Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motor Cars. Today, we're showcasing one of my favorite cars in the inventory, 56 Chevrolet Nomad. This is about as far as you can go on a classic build, guys. Take a look here. So this guy is powered by LS3 crate motor, 4L60 transmission, full Roadster Shop chassis on here, complete aftermarket frame, suspension setup, everything. I could sit here and talk about this car for hours. But like I said, LS3, 4L60, you do have the Billet Specialties True Track system up here, 4-core aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, hydro boost, the correct way to do it on this car, man. Everything has been done. Every nut, bolt, everything like that has been touched on this guy. Look at this. Big brakes up front. We got bare 6-piston calipers up front, drilled and slotted rotors. And then, man, look at this interior too. Completely refreshed interior on this guy. Modern seats in here, new carpet, new door panels, new gauges, power windows. Everything has been done on this unit. Like I said, I could talk about this car for hours, but we're gonna try and keep it short and sweet. Beautiful paint too on this, of course. One of my favorite things about the Bel Airs. Check this out. Where's your gas tank at? Here's your gas fill right here. Talk about style, man. And looky here. So whenever you take the family out for a picnic, look at that, man. You don't ever see that in any modern cars anymore. I love wagons. Love them. Put this back up. Same thing in the back, of course. 4-piston brakes, drilled and slotted rotors too, of course. Like I said, a Willwood chassis on here. If you don't, or not Willwood, I'm sorry, Roadster Shop chassis. Go look up a Roadster Shop chassis for a 56 Chevy Nomad. I want to say off the dome, they're about 30 to 50 grand, depending on how you spec them out. And this guy is really kitted out. Again, look at the interior on this guy, man. Absolutely gorgeous. You could daily drive this car every single day and not have a single problem with it. But that's me talking in a video. Let me go drive it and prove to you how well this car does. Let's go. All right, let's go for a drive. Like I said, guys, everything's done on this car. I mean, every single little thing. You got full vintage air in this guy. We're driving around with the heater on right now. Nice and warm in this here. This shifter right here, low car sport shifter with your even shift indicator on here. That's like 800, 900 bucks at Summit. Check it out. We got 4-way power windows in this guy too for your wing windows and your side windows over here. It's like a modern car in here. I mean, it completely is. Drives and feels like a modern car. The gauges in here, we got classic instrument gauges in here. They're look-alike from factory, but of course, all modern, all digital, everything like that for the LS. Take it nice and slow over speed bumps. Let's get out on the road. Always one of my favorite things about these old cars. I mean, I'm driving one hand on the steering wheel right now, just one hand on the shifter. You could drive this car with 2 fingers if you wanted to. Super lightweight power steering in this guy, and it's a great cruiser. But the nice thing with the LS3 is you got that torque down low where you can kind of cruise in it, but I mean, this thing will do burnouts and drive all day long at 70, 80 miles an hour, no problem. Let's see. It's got pickup to it, for sure. She moves. It's fun, man. You can definitely feel the weight on this thing. It's a big body car, but like, I drive a 2010 GMC Sierra, for example, and this thing floats down the road better than my brand new truck does. Like, I mean, it just cruises, man. That Roadster Shop chassis does a lot on these cars in terms of driving experience. They are a lot of money, but man, if you can swing it, they're so worth it. I don't know if you can take a look in the back here too. I mean, brand new seats in the back. Look at the headliner on this, the nice suede headliner with the chrome inserts on there. Just beautiful, man, absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if we can do this here without getting pulled over. Oh. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this 56 Chevy Nomad station wagon. Come in, take it for a drive, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.